Clusters are literally my favorite thing in the entire world, especially because I have no lashes at all. Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. We do all things beauty, from makeup, hair, then we move on to lifestyle, being a mom. I do a lot of DIY stuff and baking. So you get a little bit of everything in this channel. But as for today, we are going to be focusing on the beauty aspect, and we are going to be doing cluster lashes. And it's honestly really simple if you love lash extensions but cannot sit through the 2, 3, 4 hour appointment and you just want to DIY it at home. This is a video for you because I'm gonna show you how to get these lashes, what products I use. I promise you it will not be 2 to 3 hours. If you're ready to learn how to do cluster lashes, keep watching my video. To start off, the lashes that I'm using are the Kevkev lashes. I like to buy the bundle ones. They have 30D up to 50D. These have lasted me a minute. I've already kind of used up the 50D because I do like the bold big lashes. For today's look, we are using the 40D. I love these. They're really good. They stay on good. They do not fall apart when you do want to reuse them and wash them. Honestly, I don't have the time, so I just wash my face whenever I'm done with the 3-day process and throw them away. Been doing that with these, and look, it's been lasting me a minute already. So Kevkev lashes are the go-to lashes that I like to use. For the glue, I am using a bond&lock glue. Yeah, it literally just says bond&lock. It is this white tube with a gold and silver line. This is what I like to use. I've tried the falscara ones. It's not too bad, but it's not my favorite. I always go to this one. I just feel like it lasts longer for whatever reason. But with falscara, they do have the overnight bond. So that's what I like to use after I apply my lashes. I feel like this falscara overnighter just like locks everything in. Yeah, once I start noticing that they're about to fall off, all I do is I apply this on, squeeze them together, stick them on better, and that's it. And that's how it lasts me. Tops, it lasted me like 5 days once. I'm telling you, my method is going to make it last for a minute. For tweezers, I like to use an angled tweezers, kind of thin, not your normal tweezers like to pluck your eyebrows. And for eyelash curler, I'm using one of these. I think the normal eyelash curlers would work fine, but I feel like the open ones like these, you don't have to really try to squeeze all of your lashes into that gap. So yeah, that's all you'll pretty much need. We're gonna start off by curling our lashes. This part is optional because if you already have curl lashes, then you don't need to do this. My lashes are super straight and down, so we gotta lift them up. Grabbing our bond&lock, we are starting off with the bond side. We're gonna apply this to our lashes kind of like you would mascara, but do not apply this all over your lash. Make sure to keep the bond on the base of your lashes only. Also, if you notice, I'm applying it in a side-to-side motion. Doing this will help keep the bond at the base. Now, to apply the bond on the actual cluster lash, we're gonna apply the smallest amount on the top base of the lash. Then we will lift up our eyelid to get a better view. We're going to place it at the bottom of our lashes, right where our lashes start, and slightly push it in. So again, we're going to apply a small amount, lift up our eyelid, place the lash on the bottom of our lashes, and once we got it in place, we are going to just slightly push it in. A tip I do want to add in is the mirror that you are going to have. The mirror should be placed below you, not above you, not in front of you, because when it's below you, you're naturally looking down at it and you can see your bottom lashes. When it's in front of you or above you, you're going to have to either lift your eyelid even more or tilt your head all the way back. So below you is the best option. Also, make sure to apply the clusters on the base of your lashes. Don't apply it on your skin because the bond could possibly irritate your skin. But also don't apply it at the edge of your lashes because it won't have a good hold and it could potentially fall off. When doing clusters, I like to work in sections, starting from the outer edge and moving inward. It's just easier this way because if you apply the bond all over at the same time, then the bond might dry when you get towards the end and your lashes will just fall off. Like I mentioned before, we are using a 40D curl, but the lash map for this look, starting off with the outer edge, I put down a 10, a 12, 2 16s, 3 14s, a 12, and then another 10. And of course, these are the kevkev lashes. You also don't need to overlap for this look unless you really want more of a volume look. You can always adjust this look to your liking and to the shape of your eye. If your eyes are smaller than mine and you know there isn't much room, then you can remove some of the lashes, maybe like the 14s or the 16s. And if your eyes are bigger, I would add some of the 14s and 16s to fill it in. So here is my before and after. Clusters are literally my favorite thing in the entire world, especially because I have them. But anyways, once you have your lashes on, we are going to grab our tweezers and secure our lashes together. There's honestly no wrong way to do it, just make sure you really get them to stick to your real lashes. If you happen to feel stuck, I promise you you're not. It might seem like I am here too in this video, but just leave the tweezers in place and blink. You will get unstuck immediately. That happens because usually the bond didn't fully dry, and it's okay, just make sure not to pull the tweezers. Instead, move your eye by blinking once or twice. Alright, so I'm going to just start on this eye now. I'm going to do the exact same technique that I used on my other eye. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. So once we completed both eyes, we are going to go in with the lock side of the glue. Now with this one, we are going to do the same exact thing as the bond and apply it to the lower base of our lashes. Again, kind of like mascara, but only keep it at the base of our lashes. Then we are going to go and grab our tweezers and apply some lock glue into the inner part of our tweezers. Make sure to apply a good amount. We are then going to secure our lashes again with the tweezers. The only difference is that this time we have our lock glue on our tweezers. With this, I like to work in sections too. I'll apply lock on my tweezers, pinch them in, apply more lock, and pinch them in the next section, and so on. Now for falscara, it comes in a brush form, not in a wand, so we are just going to brush this again on the base of our lashes. You don't need too much, just light touches, and that's it. So now I'm just going to let this sit for a bit, and I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup. For mascara, I'm going in with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara to apply to my lower lashes only. You can do it to the top lashes if you want, but it already looks like I have mascara on the top with these clusters, so you know, why add more? Also a tip, if you want to make these last, don't put makeup on them. Okay, now for my brows, I'm going in with tatbrow in dark brown. This brand sent me this sample, which is a microblading pen. It's supposed to look like hair strokes, and it does, but it's so dark and pigmented, I was low-key scared to put it on. I will say that it looks like hair strokes when you do it once, but after a couple overlaps, then there aren't any more hair strokes. Which, it doesn't look bad, but the thing is called microblading pen. So, I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. If you've tried this product, let me know down in the comments. I messed up a couple times, just like being nervous of putting it on, and just too much pressure. But cleaning it up with my foundation helped a lot. I messed up from the top, so I had to give myself some 2016 brows. But hey, what a great era, you know? Overall, I like it, but it's not my favorite. One thing I do love about this product is that it's waterproof and / permanent. If you guys seen my TikTok, I showed y'all how like I rubbed my eyebrows and nothing transferred over. It took a lot of oil to take this stuff off. So will definitely come in hand on those rainy days or summer water activities if for whatever reason I decide to wear makeup. Alright, back to lashes. Our last step, once everything has set in and dried, we are going to curl our lashes. Now, I'm not doing this to get a curl, but to get them more secured. The power of a curler is just stronger than pinching with a tweezer, which is why the last step is super crucial if you want them to last. And this is a final look on the clusters. It really does look like I have lash extensions. Like, oh my god, I love them so much. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to do cluster lashes. I hope everything that I explained made sense. Doing clusters is so easy. It was definitely a game changer when I learned about it, because I didn't learn about it until like a couple months ago. It hasn't even been a year, I don't think. But it's changed my life, because I was so stuck on, you know, strip lashes. And they are good. I still use them when I'm doing like the big heavy eye makeup looks, because in order to remove these you need to remove them with oil, and when I wear heavy eye makeup I have to take my eye makeup with oil and they just come off. So that's why I don't use these with like super heavy eye makeup unless it's like the last day I'm using them. Then I'll do it. My everyday look, I have clusters on. I just do my base makeup and that's it. I'm out the door. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions or want me to go into detail about like removing them or how to apply makeup over cluster lashes, I can definitely make that into another video. Just comment down below exactly what you guys are interested in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.